Hello guys, I'd like to show you around my 220 liter aquarium which I keep planted for about 5 months now. And as far as fish are concerned, I keep in it 3 angelfish, a koi, a black marbled and a zebra one, a large gibiceps which is being fed right now, a pair of clowns, 5 bronze catfish, 5 Denison barbs, which are excellent fish, excellent swimmers and very beautiful fish to watch, 5 zebra danios, 7 serpa tetras, which are very beautiful and robust fish, 2 Siamese algae eaters which are doing a great job cleaning the algae off the plants, and as far as plants are concerned, in the right corner there is a giant Hygrophila bunch which gave me some problems due to possibly potassium depletion. We are now doing better since I add extra potassium in the tank. An Echinodorus ocelot, a carpet wannabe of dwarf Hygrophila. I expect that sometime I'm going to have a carpet. A main bunch of Elodea, great plant, not only for beginners. A Kabomba bunch, another Echinodorus ocelot down here, and the Cryptocorin parva, one of the smallest cryptocorins. It's forming some sort of a carpet also. A bunch of Lobelia, a Spathiphyllum species. This Vallisneria americana is as long as 70 to 80 centimeters. Another bunch of Elodea and Foxtail in the left corner. And this is a giant Anubias and a small bunch of Lobelia as well. Some driftwood is also part of the decoration in the aquarium, and the filtering is done by a Fluval 303 external filter and this internal Aquael filter, which also helps to dissipate the CO2, the homemade CO2 in the water. And since I've been using CO2, the growth of the plant has been more than satisfying. The fish are beautiful, they're always hungry and very friendly, and the gravel is plain. I keep it fertilized locally with Floranet tablets, and I also add some Bloom and Grow of Microbe Lift and extra potassium in the water, and I have good results up to now. Well, that's all for now. Any comments or topics for discussion, any questions, I'll be glad to answer. Thanks for watching, bye.